Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Communication with Casey. How are you all doing? So in today's video we will discuss very important thing that is very important from your point of view as an audience, as an English learner, which is sometimes I hear this particular sentence from my students or someone who is very willing to learn this language, English language. So they come to me, they say, you know what, we can understand this language properly बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक अप. हमें समझ तो आता है लेकिन हमें बोलना नहीं आता. सो इट्स अ वेरी यूजुअल वेरी कॉमन सेंटेंस दैट यू विल एवर हियर एंड नो प्रॉब्लम. इससे कहने में कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. बट हैव यू एवर हर्ड कि वॉट इज़ द सल्यूशन फॉर दिस. जब आप इस बात को बोलते हैं तो आप उसके बाद आपके दिमाग में क्या थॉट्स होते हैं. हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट इट. सो बीइंग अ टीचर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे दैट हाउ what is your thought process while you are speaking this and what do you do as a solution out of it. So being a teacher, what I recommend you is, why you can't do that, why you can't speak English but you can understand only, is because maybe you're lazy enough to learn this language. So yes, you heard me right. आपके कुछ यूट्यूब वीडियोस को स्क्रॉल करने से, रील्स को स्क्रॉल करने से आप इंग्लिश नहीं सीख जाएंगे. आपके मूवीज़, हिंदी मूवीज़ देखने से आप इंग्लिश नहीं सीख जाएंगे. इफ़ मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि आपको आज जाके एक मूवी देखनी है और आपको मुझे बताना है कि उसकी स्टोरी क्या है, तो आप कहेंगे येस आई एम सो हैप्पी, आई लव वॉचिंग मूवीज़. लेकिन उसके बाद मैं आपको कहूँगी कि आपको मूवी देखनी है और उसके बाद मुझे आकर के एक्सप्लेन करना है इंग्लिश में एग्जैक्टली उस मूवी की स्टोरी क्या आती है. और इफ़ आपको इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं आती है तो देन यू विल थिंक अबाउट इट. नाउ हियर इज़ द पॉइंट. If you are interested, if you have that willpower to learn this language, you will accept this challenge. Otherwise you will lie to yourself, not to me. You will just say okay, I'll do it, but you will not do it. You are not going to do it. So that's the real thing, that's the real motivation that is missing out from your mind, and that is why you're not able to learn it at all. So talk to yourself, take your time, think about it. If you don't want to learn English, do not learn that. Just don't lie to yourself. Be honest with yourself. Say that yes, I can't learn English because I am not paying for it. You have to pay for it, isn't it? What are you paying for it, for learning it? Nothing. It means maybe you are not interested there. Maybe you still don't know what is the importance of this language. So मैंने सोचा आज आपसे डिस्कस कर लूँ कि एग्जैक्टली क्या रूट कॉज है इस प्रॉब्लम का, जिसमें हमें ये सुनने को मिलता है कि बोलना हमें नहीं आता है पर हमें समझ सब आता है. तो समझने से कुछ होगा नहीं ना, राइट. यू हैव टू गिव दैट एफर्ट टू दैट पर्टिकुलर टास्क, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट ईजी. येस, इट्स नॉट ईजी टू लर्न अ लैंग्वेज. If you know, that's great that it is in your syllabus, you have been educated about this language, your textbooks are in that language, that's great. It means you have a good start. At least you know some words in that language. सिर्फ सेंटेंस बनाने की ही तो बात है. तो as I always say in my videos that please do start from somewhere. If you can't speak full sentence, I always tell my younger students, if you can't speak a full sentence, it's fine, and they are younger ones, of course, what can I expect from them. But even as an adult, if you are not able to speak up, maybe your vocabulary is short, just start speaking words. So you know what, before doing anything, just talk to yourself first. Ask yourself if you want to learn this language or not. If you are not interested, say truth, yes, I'm not interested, I'm fine with my language. But if you want to do that, then talk to that teacher in yourself. Talk to that teacher who is within you, who is going to decide who else is going to teach you. So yes, it was Happy Teachers Day as well. So be your own teacher while learning this language, and I wish you very happy teachers to all teachers out there. Thank you so much.